Hello dear students, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. We have finished how to solve time and work related problem sums. So today we'll do or solve some MCQ questions which are meant for competitive examinations. Here I'll discuss some shortcut tricks. We may not write whole procedure, but how to find the answers very fast. For that, I have taken some questions from R.S. Agarwal, class 8, exercise 13b. So your first question. First question, A alone can do a piece of work in 10 days. B alone can do in 15 days. In how many days A and B together do the same work? 5 days, 6 days, 8 days, 9 days. So you know the concept. First we get for 1 day's work. We combine them, then we take the reciprocal. So this is the concept for all the questions. First A is 1 day work. How much? It will be 1 by 10 because he is completing in 10 days. B is 1 day's work. It will be 1 by 15. Then they will do together 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. In 1 day, they complete this much of work. So how much it will be? 15, 10, 30 is the LCM. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 30 divided by 15 is 2. So it will be 5 by 30. And that is same as your 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 in 1 day. So how many days they will take? Reciprocal of this. That means it will be, they will complete in 6 days. So for MCQ question, no need of writing the statements. We could have started from this step. So 6 days is the answer. Question number 2. A man can do a piece of work in 5 days. He and his son working together can finish in 3 days. In how many days can the son do it alone? Options are 6.5, 7 days, 7.5, 8 days. So, man's 1 day work. How much? 1 by 5. Son is not given. So let son does in X days. Son does the work in X days. So son's 1 day work is 1 by X. And there they can combine or finish the work in 3 days. So man plus son 1 day work. Is how much? 1 by 3. So we can make the equation 1 by 5 plus 1 by X is equal to 1 by 3. This is for man, this is for son. Together they are doing in 1 day 1 by 3. So find X now. 1 by X is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. LCM is 15. 5 minus 3, that will be 2 by 15. So what will be X? X is equal to 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 means 7.5. So in 7.5 days, he will finish the work. Where is the answer? C is the answer. Question number 3. A can do a job in 16 days. B can do same job in 12 days. With help of C, they finish the job in 6 days only. Then C alone can finish it in. Options are 34, 22, 36, 48. So let's see finish in X days. Let's see finishes in X days. Then let's find the 1 day's work for everybody is 1 day work is equal to 1 by 16. B's 1 day work is 1 by 12. And C's 1 day work is equal to 1 by X. And combining, they are finishing in 6 days. So 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by X. And what is the work of 3? 1 day's work of 3 is 1 by 6. So they are equal. Now add these two. 16 and 12 LCM is equal to how much? 48. 16 3 times, 12 4 times, plus 1 by X is equal to 1 by 6. Or 1 by 6, X is equal to 1 by 6 minus 7 by 48. What is the LCM of 48 and 6? It will be certainly 48. Then it will be 8 minus 7, 1 by 48. So 1 by X is equal to 1 by 48. So what will be X? X is 48. Where is the answer? D is the answer. Question number 4. To complete a work, A takes 50% more time than B. If together they take 18 days to complete the work, how much time shall B takes for it? The options are 30 days, 35 days, 40 days, 45 days. A takes 50% more time than B. And how much time shall B take for it? So let B take X days. Let B takes X days to complete. Then how much A will take? A will take your 50% more. That means if B is 100, then A will be 150. So A will take X into your 150 by 100. How much it will be? It will be, you can cancel 50 directly, 0, 0 cancel, 5 3 times, 5 2 times. So 3x by 2 days. So next I'll find 1 day's work of A is reciprocal of 3x by 2. That will be 2 by 3x. Take care of it. 1 upon 3x by 2 is same as your 2 by 3x. And 1 day's work of B. How much it will be? 1 by x. Then if we'll combine A plus B is equal to 2 by 3x plus 1 by x. What I'm finding? 1 day's work of A plus B. And according to the question, how many days they are finishing? They are finishing in 18 days. So in 1 day, they will do 1 upon 18. So this is the equation. You have to solve it. What is the LCM? LCM is 3x. 3x divided by 3x, so 2. 3x divided by x is 3. So this will equal to 1 by 18. Or 5 by 3x is equal to 1 by 18. Now cross multiply. You will get 3x is equal to 90, or x is equal to how much? 30 days. 90 divided by 3, 30 days. Where is the answer? A is the answer. So we got question number 4. 4 questions we finished. Now coming to question number 5. A works twice as fast as B. If both of them can do together, finish a work in 12 days, then B alone can do it. So question is about B, so I'll take let B finish in next days. Let B can finish, of course, B alone finish the work in X days. So now coming to A is twice as fast as B. That means A is 2 times faster. If B will do 10 days, then A will finish in 5 days. This is the meaning of twice faster. So here A can finish in how many days? It will be X by 2 days, not 2X. 2X means it will be more days in X by 2 days. Then A's 1 day work is what? Reciprocal of this? 2 by X. B's 1 day work is your 1 by X. Now according to the question, their 1 day work is how much? 1 by 12. A plus B's 1 day work is 1 by 12 according to the question. So 2 by X plus 3 by 1 by X is equal to 1 by 12. This is 1. Or 3 by X is equal to 12. 1 by 12. Or on cross multiplication, X is equal to 36. So in 36 days, B will finish. This is the answer. Next, question number 6. A alone can finish a piece of work in 10 days. B alone can finish in 15 days. If they work together and finish it, then out of the total wages of rupees 3,000, A will get how much? So A finish in 1 by 10. So A's work is 1 by 10 and B's work is 1 by 15. Or the ratio of their wages will be how much? It will be 1 by 10 is to 1 by 15, or this will be 15 by 10. 1 by 10 is to 1 by 15, or this is same as your 15 is to 10 is equal to 15 is to 10. If we cross multiply, it will be 15 is to 10, 15 by 10, or you can write wages of A is to B is equal to 15 is to 10. That means 15 is 10 means how much? It will be 3 is to 2 if we divide with 5. So A will get 3 part of total 5 part. This makes you 3 plus 2 is 5. Out of 5 parts, A will get 3 because A is doing more work because he can finish 10 days. He's slow. He will get less. You will get 2 parts. 3 by 5 multiplies your 3,000. How much it will be? It will cancel. It will be 600. So 1800. A will get rupees 1800. Where is the answer? C is answer. Now question number 7. The rates of working A and B are in ratio 3:4. The number of days taken by them to finish the work in ratio 3:4, 9:16, 4:3, 16 by 9. Rate of doing work and number of days. They are inverse proportion. So work, rate of work and number of days are in inverse proportion. This is I'm writing for your knowledge. For this answer or solution, you no need to write. So if work rate is A and B, work rate is equal to your 3:4, then your number of days will be reciprocal of this. Number of days will be reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of this means what? It will be 1/3 is to 1/4. So I am making it simplest by multiplying 12 in both of them. So 1/3 multiplies 12 is to 1/4 multiplies 12. How much I am getting? I am getting your 4:3. 4:3. So when rate of work is 3:4, you take just its reciprocal. That means, or you can take the inverse ratio. 3:4, its inverse ratio is 4:3. So 4:3 is the answer. This is simply no need of counting all the things. You can remember if rate of working is 3:4, then number of days will be in ratio 4:3. Question number 8. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C can do in 20 days. C and A can do in 15 days. A, B, C all working together can do it in 6 days, 9 days, 10 days, 10.5 days. So A plus B in 1 day. How much? 1/12 of the work. I'm not writing all of the work, other things. B plus C in 1 day does how much? Your 1/20, and A plus C in 1 day 1/50. So if I'll take the sum, there will be twice A and A. There will be twice B, and there will be twice C. So 2A, 2B, 2C, they do 1/12 plus 1/20 plus 1/50. What is LCM? LCM is your 60. So 60 divided by 12, 5. 60 divided by 20, 3. 60 divided by 15 is your 4. So how much it will be? 12/60. So question is, in how many days A, B, C will do? So this is twice A plus B plus C. So I can find A plus B plus C by dividing 2 again. So it will cancel. This will be 1/5. So it will be 1/5. Again divided by 2. It will be 1/10. So A plus B plus C, this do 1/10 of work in 1 day. So when they will finish, reciprocal of this, so they finish in 10 days. So C is the answer. Question number 9. 3 men or 5 women can do a work in 12 days. How long will 6 men and 5 women take to do it? 6 days, 5 days, 4 days, 3 days. Now 3 men can do in 12 days. So 3 men in 1 day, how much they do? Do 1 by 12 of the work. So 1 man will do 1 by 36 of work. The same way I come for the women. 5 women in 1 day do 1 by 12 of work. Why? Either 3 men are doing in 12 days, 5 women are also doing 12 days. 3 women finish, 3 men finish in 12 days, 5 women also finishing in 12 days. So first I'm getting from man, then I'm coming to women. So 5 women in 1 day, 1 by 12. So 1 woman will be divided by 5 again. So it will be 1 by 12 into 5, that will be 1 by 60 of the work. Now coming to 6 men. So 1 man does 1 by 36. So 6 men in 1 day, how much? It will be 6 into 1 by 36. That will be how much? 1 by 6 of work. Then your 5 women in 1 day, it will be 5 into 1 by 60. It will be 1 by 12. So they are doing together. So 6 men plus 5 women in 1 day, do how much? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. What is LCM? LCM is 12. It will be 2 plus 1, that will be 3 by 12 or 1 by 4. So when they will finish, this is in 1 day. So they will finish in reciprocal of this. So they will finish in 4 days. So this will be answer. Next, question number 10. A can do a piece of work in 15 days. A can do a piece of work in 15 days. B is 50% more efficient than A. Then A can finish it in. So let us take A can finish in X days. So A, also here it is A can do a piece of work in 15 days. B is 50% more efficient than A, then B can finish it. It cannot be A because A is there. B can finish it in how many days? Okay. Let B is B does in 15 days. Then 1 day is equal to, in 1 day, it will be 1 by 15. Very sorry. It is X day I should take. X days in 1 day, 1 by X of work. Similarly, A does in 15 days. Then your A in 1 day, it will be 1 by 15. So according to the question, B is 50% more efficient than A. A is doing 1 by 15. You will take efficiency 50% more than A. That means If A is 100, then B is how much? B is your 150, 50% more. A is 100, B is 50. So when A is 1 by 15, B is your 1 by x. A is 1 by 15, B is 1 by x. So get the ratio. What I'll write? I'll write this will be 100 by 150 is equal to your 1 by 15 by 1 by x. Cancel. Here it will be how much? Or it will be 10 by 15 is equal to your x by 15. 15 cancel, so x is equal to 10. So B finishes in 10 days. So 10 days is the answer. A is the answer. 11. A does 20% less work than B. If A can finish a work in 7.5 hours, then B can finish it. Options are 5 hours, 5.5, 6 hours, 6.5. A does 20% less work than B. A can finish the work in 15 by 2 hours. Then B can finish in how many hours? Let B finish in B in X hours. So X hours, B's 1 day work is 1 by X. A's in 1 day, it will be 2 by 15. 2 by 15. According to the question, A's efficiency, this is equal to your 20% less. That means if B is 100, then A is equal to your 80. If A is 2 by 15, then B is 1 by X. Take the ratio. I'll write 100 by 80 is equal to 2 by 15 by 1 by X. Then cross multiply. I'll get 10 by 5, 4. So 5 by 4 is equal to 2 times of X by 15. Or X is equal to 5 into 10 by 8 is equal to 2 by 15. 2 by 15 is, it is B. Oh, sorry, it was a mistake. Very sorry. It will be 1 by X, it will be 2 by 15. I think you can also, viewers can follow the mistake. Then only you will understand that concept. B is equal to 1 by X and A is equal to your 2 by 15. So I'll write 100 by 80 is equal to 1 by X upon 2 by 15, or 100 by 80 is equal to 15 by 2 times of X. Simplification. So 0 cancel. Here I'll get 2, 4, then it will be how much? X is equal to 15 multiplies your 4 by 10. That it will be 5 3 times, 5 2 times, 2 6 hours. 6 hours is the answer. Question number 12. A can do a piece of work in 20 days. B alone can do 12 days. B worked at it for 9 days. A can finish the remaining work in. A does in 20 days. B does in 12 days. B worked for 9 days. After that, A completed the work. So it finished in remaining work in how many days? 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, 11 days. So A's 1 day work is 1 by 20. B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 12. Now B worked for 9 days, so B's 9 days work is how much? 9 by 20. And let B complete A completes in remaining in X days. So A X days work is your X by 20. B is finishing in 12 days. So this will be not 20, it will be 12. Now 1 by 12 and 9 by 12. I'll simplify this. Again, I repeat, A is doing 1 day, is doing 1 by 20. B is doing 1 by 12. And B is doing for 9 days, so 9 by 12. We suppose A complete in your X days, so it will be X by 20. And the total work is your 1. 9 by 12, I'm simplifying 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus X by 20 is equal to 1. Or X by 20 is equal to how much? X by 20 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 by 4. That will be 1 by 4. So 4 times of X is equal to 20, or X is equal to how many days? 5 days. So A will complete the remaining in 5 days. Question number 13. A can do a piece of work in 25 days. B alone can do in 20 days. A started work and was joined by B after 10 days. The work lasted for how many days? 12 and a half, 15, 16, and 2 by 3, and 14. So first, A is doing in 25 days. So A in 1 day does how much? 1 by 25 of work. B in 1 day does your 1 by 20 of work. A started the work. We don't know how many days A worked, but B joined after 10 days. That means A did for 10 days without help of B. That means A did for 10 days. So how much work was done? 10 into 1 by 25. That much work was done. So it will be 2 by 5 work already done. So how much work is left? 1 minus 2 by 5. 3 by 5 work is left. So it is done by whom? It is done by both A and B. Now work done in by A and B in 1 day. It will be how much? It will be 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20. That will be LCM is how much? 100, of course. 4 plus 5, it will be 9 by 100. So they have to finish 3 by 5 of the work. So 3 by 5 division your 9 by 100. So 3 by 5 multiplies your 100 by 9. Simplify, this will be 3, 20. It will be 20 by 3. It will be 6 and 2 by 3. So previously A has worked for 10 days. Now both are completing in 6 and 2 by 3 days. So what is the total number of days? 16 and 2 by 3 days. Where is the answer? Answer is C. Question number 14. Two pipes can fill a tank in 20 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. If both the pipes are open simultaneously, then the tank will fill in 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, 25 minutes. So you will find one for pipe 1, 1 by 20. For pipe 2, 1 by 30. Get the LCM, it is 60. It will be 3 plus 2, 5 by 60, 1 by 12. Then take the reciprocal. So they will fill in how many minutes? 5 by 60 is equal to not 20. It will be 12. It will be 12. It is all writing error, isn't it? Oh. It will be 1 by 20. So they will fill in 12 minutes. So B is the answer. Next, question of 15. A tap fill a cistern in 8 hours. Another tap empty the full cistern. That means one is bringing water, one is taking away water. Water is going down in 16 hours. If both the taps are open, when the cistern will fill 5 and 1 by 3, 10 hours, 16 hours, 20 hours. So in 1 hour, water is coming 1 by 8 of the tank and it is emptied how much? 1 by 60. So in 1 hour, water is how much? 16 is the LCM. 16 minus 16 divided by 8, 2 minus 1. That will be 1 by 16. So when it will fill in 16 hours. For MCQ, no need of writing all the statements. Whenever you can manage, you can write. Next is 16. A pump can fill a tank in 2 hours due to leak. In a tank, it takes 2 and 1 by 3 hours to fill the tank. The leak can empty the full tank in 2, 1 by 3, 7 hours, 8 hours, 14 hours. So let the leak empty the full tank in X hours. Leak can empty. So in 1 hour, how much is left? Water is left for your pump 1 is filling 1 by 2 and leak is taking away 1 by X of water and it is fill in how much hour? 2 and 1 by 3 hour. It is filled in 2 by 3. How much it will be? 7 by 3. So in 1 hour, water is filled. How much? Your reciprocal of this 1 by 7 by 3. It will be 3 by 7. Now according to the question, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 1 by 2 minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3. So take 1 by x right side and 1 by 2 minus 3 by 7. So 14 is the LCM. it will be 7 minus 6, 1 by 14. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 14. So how much is x? X is equal to 14 hours. So D is answer. Question number 17. Two pipes can fill a tank in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively, while a third pipe empties the full tank in 20 hours. So in a tank, these two pipes are filling the water and one pipe is taking out the water. So they are added, this will be subtracted. If all the three pipes operate simultaneously, in how much time will the tank will be filled? 7 hours, 15 minutes, 7 hours, 30 minutes, 7 hours, 45 minutes, 8 hours. So first pipe in 1 hour. How much first pipe is giving? 1 by 10. Second is giving 1 by 10. Or third pipe is taking 1 by 20. So simplify, what is LCM? LCM will be 60. So it will be 6 plus 5 minus 3. 6 plus 5 minus 3. How much? It will be 11, 9 by 60. 9 by 60 is how much? It will be, it will be 8 by 60, sorry. Then you will cancel with what? 4, 4 2 times, 4 15 times. So in 1 hour, 2 by 15 of your tank. Then when it will fill then? So it will fill in 15 by 2 hours. Reciprocal of that. What is 15 by 2 hours? 7 hours and your 30 minutes. It will be 8, it will be tank. 8 by 60 of the tank. This is in 1 hour. Thank you for watching. You pause the video when you and note down all the things. That will be better for you. You can practice more questions and thank you for watching.